Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aanchal, also known as Lawfully Fashionable, and I make videos on fashion, styling, and everything in between. Okay, so today's I've got you some amazing dresses from Myntra that I'll be trying on in this video. So all these dresses are under rupees 1000, and I think these are perfectly apt for this summer. So I think you should definitely consider buying them. Links to all these dresses is in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं so please सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें इस वीडियो को. And now let's get started. So our first dress is this black colored floral dress. I think this is so perfect for summers, and it has yellow and white colored flowers all over. इसका fabric है polyester and I'm in the size S. The best part about this dress is it has ruffle details यहाँ नीचे स्कर्ट पर, which I think is very unique. I got this for 900 rupees and fabric बहुत durable है guys, so I think you can consider buying this. Guys, इसका neck ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा deep V-neck हो गया. So if you're someone who is really comfortable wearing this, then you can definitely go for this. या फिर आप tube top पहन सकते हैं. Although tubes हर dress के साथ में I don't think suit करती है, but I actually love this one. So this is from the brand called Rare, and I absolutely love their clothes. So let me show you all. So this is how this dress looks. I knew this would look so good. I don't know if you can see, but the skirt is just so pretty. Also guys, I told you about the neck. The neck is going to be a problem, and that's the only minus point. So but for the style, for the fabric, and for everything, I'll rate it 9 out of 10. Time for another dress. Okay. Now I remember this. The colors are actually so pretty. This is a maxi dress, and guys, it totally screams vacation. इसका fabric cotton है. It totally screams the beach vibe. This one is actually from a brand called Dressberry, which is very popular. One of my favorite brands from Myntra. And this was again for rupees 900. I am in size S. Honestly, it's a bit see-through, but I don't think it will be a problem. Let's try this. Okay. Alright, so if you're someone who likes boho and a bit of vacay vibes, then this is your cue to buy this one, because this is actually worth it. If you pair this with nice quirky earrings and hat, this is going to be so beach appropriate. Crochet shrug, some shell earrings. This is totally my vibe. Honestly guys, I'll rate this one a solid 9 out of 10. -1 because ये थोड़ा transparent है. And summers में कौन अंदर inners पहनना चाहेगा? Cannot wait to open the third parcel. Now coming to the third parcel, all the people who love to dress modest, I think this is what you guys are looking for, because this is the perfect maxi dress that I have ever seen in my life. This one is in the fabric georgette. Guys, look at the sleeves. And मुझे पता नहीं ये detailing बहुत पसंद है जो बीच में इन लोगों ने लेस लगा के रखी है. Secondly, this is in black color. Again, मेरी कमजोरी. So this one is from brand called Drape and Dazzle, and this was just for rupees 844. I think it's affordable. And guys, it also has good lining, so transparency का कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगा. Let's try this. Oh, I love it. 10 on 10 already, because guys, this is the kind of dress you would love to. You want to go to party? Wear this. You want to go to shopping? Wear this. You are going on a beach vacation? Absolutely wear this. The highlight of this dress, I am obsessed with all the different kinds of sleeves. So for me, this is definitely 10 on 10. So this is in the fabric georgette, and इसमें अंदर lining भी बहुत अच्छी है. So आपको अंदर कुछ भी पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. These kind of dresses would look good with flats and nice earrings, because इसमें scope ही नहीं है ज़्यादा style करने का. And that is the best part about this dress. Very pretty lace detailing, as you guys can see. Also, if you're someone who loves to dress modest, I think this is your cue to buy this one, because ये बिल्कुल transparent नहीं है. इसका fabric बहुत अच्छा है. It's long, it's stylish, it covers you. So next one, and the second last one, is this. The color. The color is what made me buy this dress. This again has a lot of flowers and leaves, so I don't know if this is apt for summers or spring, because I think this would work well in both the seasons. ये थोड़ी सी shorter है length में, but it is not that much short. Fabric again is georgette. This is from the brand called Optics, and this costed me 988 rupees. Let's try this on. This is so cute. I love the flare. I love the details over here. I think this is so cute, and this dress actually reminds me so much of my childhood, because ये ऐसी dresses पहनना बहुत अच्छा लगता था, with all the details here and a nice flare, you know. This is again in fabric georgette. I'm wearing size S and it fits me like a glove. Now this dress is neither too long, neither too short. It's just the perfect length. So अगर आप modest कपड़े भी पहनते हैं, then I think you can totally buy this one. So I think if you style this dress with nice strap-on heels or strap-on footwear, it would really look so cute. Just for the flair and just for the childhood, I would rate it a solid 10 on 10. Coming to the last one. मैं खुद भूल गई हूँ कौन सा था. So this is in white color and it looks something like this. See guys, I totally believe you can look stylish in modest clothes, and this is another one of modest pieces. It comes with sleeves and its neck is also good, and the length is also a little bit longer. It is from the brand called Manojava. I don't know if it's Manojava or Manojava. Anyways, the fabric is good. It's cotton. It's perfect for summers. Let's try this on. Okay, so honestly, I'm not pretty sure if I love this, but the fabric is really comfortable. The dress is really good. मुझे ये वाली sleeves मुझ पर थोड़ी कम पसंद है. It's very lightweight. It's cotton. Now, guys, this one costed me only rupees 799. I am again in size S. It fits me perfectly, so you can go for your own size. Now, I would rate it 8 out of 10, just because I don't like whatever is happening over here. The fabric is also good. It's also non-transparent. That is it for today's haul, and I really hope you liked all these dresses. All of these dresses are under rupees 1000, and I totally think these would look so good on vacations. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to check description box for all the links, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I make content on fashion, styling, and everything that revolves around. So it would mean a lot to me if you join this family, and like and share it with your friends and family. Till then, keep expressing yourself, stay lawfully fashionable. Bye bye.